In this short video, I will give you our foolproof method to get a meeting with anyone, even if you are a complete newbie. Now, this may sound too good to be true, but by the time you're done watching this video, you will be able to reach out to anyone at scale with complete confidence. Confidence that you can land a meeting and close a client without much effort. Let's face it, the old way of prospecting is broken. Cold emails get ignored. Cold calls are tiring. But does that mean you should go back to the 9-to-5 box just because you cannot make these methods work? Of course not. See, if you are tired of getting clients with any of the conventional strategies and you failed, that's not your fault. The truth is 99% of all the conventional client getting strategies just fly under the radar of your prospects. But you can still land clients and book a meeting with anyone if you reach out to your prospect in a way they have never seen before. You can easily get any prospect to book a meeting with you by using the power of hyper-personalization. This technique is incredibly effective because it removes cold from your outreach, crafting each message in such a way that not only it is unique to your prospect, it also gets them to take action. Now, doing something like this, where the email, the image, the video, and the landing page are personalized for each prospect, could take weeks and a lot of effort. Even if you hire someone to do this for you, it will take a lot of time and money. So how can you do it at scale for say 100 or 200 prospects a day without hiring anyone? Introducing Vumu, a brand new approach to landing clients. This software allows you to automate the foolproof method I shared earlier, reaching prospects at scale with hyper-personalization, and it is simple. Let me show you how. The images, landing pages, and videos you create in Vumu change based on who is viewing them. They change to match your prospect's personal attributes, including first name, last name, company logo, or any other information you have about your prospect. This level of hyper-personalization removes the cold out of prospecting emails, since each of your prospects thinks the images, the videos, and the landing pages you share with them are built specifically for them. Digital service providers use Vumu to send hyper-personalized messages to just 10 prospects and secure 7 to 8 meetings, pitching their services and closing 2 to 3 deals, all in the same day.
G'day, it's Ben from Behavior Sales, and I'm based in Tampa, Florida in the US. Vumu has been fantastic. My first use case with it was like I got it just before Christmas. I literally launched a campaign the day before Christmas, which resulted in me getting 2 meetings booked, but the week between Christmas and New Year's, when most people aren't working. I literally got 2 meetings booked with 2 executives, which are both going to result in 7-figure plus deals for us. And it was highly, highly effective.
Now, you might be wondering what is so special in Vumu that got Ben these results. The answer is simple. While your competitor sends generic outreach emails, Vumu lets you create personalized images, landing pages, and videos with ease, making you the one who truly captures your prospect's attention. All 3 of the assets you create in Vumu change based on the personal attributes of the recipient. Let me show you how this works. Take a look at this image. Let's say you want this particular image to feature your prospect's first name, though in reality it could include any attribute that you want. Company name, company logo, the name of their dog, whatever information you have and want to use. But for the sake of simplicity, let's go with the first name. Then let's say you include this image in your email and send it out to 2 prospects. Their names are Mark and Jane. So Mark is going to see this image. For Jane, the image is going to display this way. You could send this image to thousands of prospects at once. And for each of them, the image would feature their own first name or whatever attribute you have included. Your prospects have never seen anything like this, and it is almost impossible to stop them from clicking on this image. Now, what if you were to amplify this using personalized landing pages? The landing pages work similarly to dynamic images. First, you specify what attributes you want to be displayed on the landing page. It takes less than a minute to do so. Again, it can be anything: location, company logo, details from their personal lives, any information that you have. For example, let's say you've set up the landing page so it displays your prospect's first name, the name of the company, company's location, website, and logo. It would look something like this. And let's say Jane, from the previous example, runs a company, Fun Widgets Inc. in Columbus, Ohio. Here's what she will see once she clicks on the personalized image from the email or DM you send to her, and this is what the landing page looks like. Again, you could send thousands of prospects to this page and the page would change to match the personal attributes of each of them. This of course will make every single one of your prospects think the page was built specifically for them. Now let's spice things up a little bit more with the biggest thing Vumu has to offer you: personalized videos. You can easily include a personalized video on the landing page and offer prospects to book a meeting with you right inside the video. Now again, each one of your prospects will see a video tailored for them. Following up with Jane's example, to her the video would look something like this. For Mark, it will look like this. With Vumu, you do not need any cold email software or email warm-up software. Other tools will get you a slow 1 to 3% reply rate on your emails. With hyper-personalization campaigns you create in Vumu, you can easily get reply rates of 50, 70, and even 90%. That's why most Vumu users don't send more than 50 messages every week. Many only send 10 to 20 messages, and it's enough to keep their calendar filled with meetings. What's more, a few of the beta testers had to stop their campaigns altogether. Why? Simply because they were getting so many meetings with targeted prospects, they just could not handle the volume. Would you also like to start generating so many red-hot clients that you will have to hire a few extra pairs of hands just to meet the demands of your services? If you would, click the button below and claim Vumu for a small one-off price now. If you act now, you will also get 3 exclusive bonuses worth thousands of dollars. These bonuses include live training on how to make 6 figures using Vumu, lead generation apps so you never run out of prospects, and lifetime access to our recent creation called Meetingless app. Each of these items in this bonus package by itself is worth a few times more than the small investment you are making in Vumu. And all you have to do to get Vumu and the bonuses is claim your lifetime account at a one-time price. Click the button below this video to claim everything right now. If you grab Vumu right now and don't land the client in the next 14 days, hit us up and we will issue you a full immediate refund. As you can see, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain with this offer. But you really must take action now. Once this launch is over, the only way you will be able to get access to Vumu is if you pay $297 a month for its lowest plan. Claim Vumu and all the bonuses for a small one-time price right now. Hey there, Neil here from Vumu, and in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can create personalized experiences like this at scale for people that you're reaching out to, not just via images but also via videos and landing pages. So let's go in and see how Vumu can do all of this in bulk for you. To begin with, we are going to create either personalized images, personalized landing pages, or even personalized videos within Vumu, and I'll show you all of those as we go along. So let's start with personalized images. The process is simple. You click on new images and pick one of the templatized images that we give to you, and as you can see with examples here, you can personalize these images for the prospects that are receiving them. I uploaded my own image as you saw earlier, and I was able to personalize that for people as well. So I just took a picture with me holding a book, and there I reached out to people asking them to just me to get in touch. But for you, doing this is easy. Just pick one of them, say something like the coffee template, and once you do this, is say you're inviting someone for coffee, you've got their first name and last name, and when you send this through, and I will show you examples of what this looks like in an email client, when you send this through, this is what people will see based on who they are. So we'll click on the preview button just to see what it looks like, and this is what your prospects will see as you customize and send it to them. And customizing at scale is simple. This is the image that you're going to send. You can add a page to this too. So for example, in this case, I can add govumu.com. apply, done, and then you get code. Now there's a couple of different ways to get this code. You can send emails right within Vumu, and you can also send emails with one of the many autoresponder integrations that we have over here. If your autoresponder isn't covered here, don't worry, we'll talk about that more in the bonus sessions on how to customize it for your own autoresponder, including Mailviewer. So for now, I'm going to use the personalized image within Vumu CRM, and then once I'm done with that, I'll come back and show you the videos and the personalized landing pages as well. So let's go ahead and create an email using Vumu. So I'm going to create a new email. You can also use SMS. For SMS, you have to connect your phone number, Vumu phone number, but for emails, you have to connect your Gmail account. So you just come in, you set up your Gmail account, all the instructions are provided. Right in there, you pick your recipients. So for example, in this case, I'm going to add in neil@kvsocial.com. You can also pick a new recipient, so neil.napier.im@gmail.com. So you could pick that as well, and add as many as you want. Just put in a subject line, and of course there you can personalize these tags as well. Hey, let's grab a coffee. And in this case, I'm going to, as before, put the image that you had seen before. There, so now I have put in the coffee template. Great, now I'm going to add some copy template too, because this is going to be an email. So hey, first name, let's grab a cup of coffee, looking forward to a chat, and then you end with your name, of course, Neil Napier. Done, and you send this via email once you've connected your Gmail account. And as you can see, when I open the email, my details are right over here, as this should be in an autoresponder. You can use this to personalize your outreach to anyone using emails within Vumu, or of course you can rely on your autoresponder as well. Now let's go back in and check out other kinds of personalization that you could do as well. For starters, you can create personalized landing pages. This by far is my favorite. So for example, say if I wanted to take one of these videos, so this is a video that I have done in the past, I could take this video and I could create a brand new landing page entirely based on that campaign. So right here, for example, I can use first name here and last name as well. Right here, I can add other details such as address. So if I wanted to refer to their country instead of across the globe, I could just use the address. So trusted by 2,000 users from Panama City, from Mexico, from Finland, from US, wherever for that matter, or you could use cities as well. I could refer back to a prospect's website. I could use their logo in there as well. So as long as you have all these details accessible within your contact information that I showed you earlier, you can personalize these landing pages, and what people will see will be completely attuned to them. So for example, let me go ahead and show you here what I would see living in Finland. There you go, personalized video for Neil Napier from Finland. Let's change this up and see what my partner Stephen would see. There you go, personalized video for Stephen van der Paal, trusted by 2,000 plus users from Mexico. So this way, your prospects will see something that is entirely targeted to them. Within Vumu, you also have the ability to either upload a video from your computer, record a new video, or choose a template if you don't want to record your own video. So we've got a bunch of videos already done. If you want to reach out to someone and sell them your services, we have hundreds of videos in place already. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and record a video directly from my computer. I could choose webcam, screen share, or both webcam and screen share. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So let's say if I wanted to record a video like this, I could absolutely do that right within Vumu. And I could also just do an introduction, something along the lines of, hey Eric, I wanted to create this video for you. And I could create multiple of these videos, and then I'll show you the magic trick. So once this video is recorded, I can go ahead, add call to action on it. So I can enable call to action feature, and I can add a call to action on top of these videos. I can also replace the thumbnail. This is where the magic happens, by the way, because I could replace the thumbnail with something like this right over here, let's say, and I'll say okay. And this is the imported thumbnail, so this is now what people will see. I can change theme settings, I can customize it so I have my own details over here, and then I can also enable e-signature and other details if I'm actually sending out contracts. I'm going to change this to something along the lines of Vumu invite for Eric, and later I could change this to first name as well. Once you're done, you can go ahead and preview to see what it would look like, and you can later use this inside the landing pages as we did as well. So again, you can see here, this is pretty much open for the prospects to see. So now I'm in the landing page section again, and as you can see, this is the video that I can send to them, and I can make sure that it is personalized. Let's go back into the area where we actually send out the email. So I'm going to choose one of the respondents as a test, and I'll show you something cool. So let's go ahead and put in a simple subject line. Hello, let's have a coffee. And again, you can personalize this too. And then I could also generate email via AI. So this is a new feature within Vumu, and you're gonna love it. So you can simply go ahead and give a brief description of what kind of email you want to send. I'll fill that in and I'll show you what email it produces. So I'm going to click on generate email button, and as you will see, this automatically creates email content for us and puts it right within the email. You can use merge tags and all the other tags that we're using within Vumu to then personalize, hyper personalize those emails as well. So there you go, dear first name. All of this is there, and that's all you need to do to hyper personalize your emails, your reach outs to prospects at scale using Vumu.